Before you sign up for Honeygain, just stop for 30 seconds. Because if you just go directly to the website to sign up, you'll miss out on the highest joining bonus, and most people don't even realize it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the best possible joining bonus, where to enter the coupon code, and what you need to know before you decide if Honeygain is even worth running on your device. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I have talked about Honeygain before, and this will not be a full review. Just want to make that completely clear because I will focus on how to get the best possible joining bonus by using the right Honeygain coupon code when joining, because a lot of people have been asking about this. But I will also go over the most important things you need to consider to find out if it's even worth it for you. But if you want a full tutorial, I will also leave a link below, so you can find that on my website. There's both a full written review, video reviews, payment proof, and all that. But let's now just jump straight to showing you how to get the best possible bonus. So when you come to the Honeygain website and you just click here to sign up, you can see that it automatically just adds a coupon code, and you can see that means that you will get a $2 joining bonus just for signing up. And most people think that, oh, that's great, it just adds this automatically, but this is actually not the best way to get a joining bonus, because you can get more. Because I have, for example, been able to get a link where you will get a $3 joining bonus. You can see my code here. I will also paste it below because it is case sensitive and can be a little bit difficult to see what is letters and what is numbers and all that. So I'll leave the exact code below, so you can just go to the website and then you can use this coupon code, and then you can see signing up, you will get $3 instead of $2. But be aware that Honeygain has several times changed the joining bonus, and it has both gone down from when I first joined here and also up a little bit again. So I cannot guarantee the exact amount it will be, but how it has basically been the whole time is if you use a special invitation link or special coupon code, then you will get the highest possible bonus. So with my invitation code, you should be able to get the highest bonus that they are currently offering. So if you have not signed up yet, this can be a way to make sure you get the best possible start. But let's also talk a little bit about whether it is even worth it, because if this is relevant for you, you have not joined yet, so I want to share a few important things you need to consider. So whether Honeygain is even worth it or not, it really depends. And I know it's kind of an annoying answer, but that is just also the truth, because you need to do it with the right expectations. And first of all, it will not make you rich. It's very important to understand. It is a passive way to earn, because you will just install it on your device and then it will run in the background and you will earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, but you will not earn a lot. How much you can earn depends a lot on your device, your internet connection, and most of all, the country you live in. Also, be aware that how this works is that others will use your connection, and they will do that to do, for example, different market research. And then the question is, of course, if that is safe. Honeygain itself says that it is safe because it will not give people access to personal data or browsing history, and you will have full control and all that, and you can just pause and stop the app at any time. But that's what they are saying. They have a whole section on the website in the help section about the security and the safety of it. But when you are doing something like this, it's just very important to really look into that. Read all the documentation you have about it, and then decide whether you feel comfortable about something like this or not, because I know not everyone does, and you just need to be aware what you're saying yes to. And I cannot tell you whether you should or not. I can just say that I have personally earned some nice extra money from it, and so have thousands of my viewers, but it is not for everyone. And there are also some people that say they've had bad experiences with it, so that's why I'm also mentioning this. Do your own research about it, look into the information about what they get access to. Do you feel comfortable about this and all this, and then decide based on that if this is for you or not. If it is for you, then make sure to use my coupon code, as you will then get a higher joining bonus and get the best possible start. And I mentioned I will leave that below. I will also leave a link below to a full tutorial I have on my website. There you can also read all about how you can get paid, see payment proof, the other ways it also offers to boost your earnings. And also I do have a video here where I show some tricks about how to earn the most from Honeygain, so I'll leave that here on the screen next to me, so then you can watch that next. And if you have any questions, any comments, anything, just ask in the comments below, and I see all comments there and I reply to every single comment also. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.